All right. Now that you've had some practice moving things around, how about let's try algebra with one step. Let's say we have, I wish someone could give me some numbers. How about 3x equals 27? Remember that 3x means 3 times x. So the opposite operation, do the opposite operation. And the operation in this case is times. So the opposite of times is divide. Let's divide both sides. Opposite operation to both sides. Remember, both. So I divide by 3 on this side, and I divide by 3 on this side. Here's my castle wall coming down. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So there's my x is just left over by itself with a 1. You can put the 1 in or don't put the 1 in, doesn't matter. There's 1x there. And 27 divided by 3 is 9. So x equals 9. Now you can check it by putting this number here into the equation. So if it was 3 times x equals 27, and I put the 9 where the x is in my equation, 3 times 9 equals 27. 27 equals 27. I did it right. This is your check. Do the opposite operation to both sides. To solve for x. Step 2. I'm going to try one more. Instead of multiplying and dividing, let's do an adding one. Let's say the equation was x minus 96 equals 100. Do the opposite operation to both sides. What operation is here? Remember, we're trying to get everyone away from the princess. Remember her? The x. Try to get everyone away from the x because you want x equals something. Okay, so anyways, the operation here is minus. So let's add 96 to both sides. What do we get here? This becomes 0. So all you have is the x left over, and 196 is 196. So, can I check that? Of course I can check it. I just have to have some more room. Here we go. Let's check. X minus 96 equals 100 is the equation. Take this and put it where the x is. 196 minus 96 equals 100. Does 196 minus 96 equal 100? Sure it does. Both sides equal 100. You know you did it right.